Hi there, my name is Sagar. So in this video, I talk about a step-by-step method to how you can create your Facebook group from scratch and how you can really utilize for your coaching business, for your any online business you are doing, where basically you wanted to grow your audience. And rather than using Facebook profile, you can also you should not only use Facebook profile for your organic marketing. You can connect Facebook profile with Facebook group, or let's suppose you are promoting your product in Instagram. Also, you can start building community inside Facebook group. You can drive the traffic from the bio link, or if you are into YouTube, you also can connect with the groups. Why groups is like group is something you are control of that those people. You can control all these people because those people will be like more warm audience rather than just a cold audience. So I know that there are many people just building groups just for selling purpose, but no, that should not be your first priority. Definitely, your first priority of the Facebook group should be giving the value first and focus 80-20 principle. Let's suppose you are just posting for 5 days in a week. 4 days should be value. Fifth days you can give some offer so that people not should not feel getting sold every single time. Right. So build a private group, not public group. If really wanted to be serious about your building online business, public group sometimes it is growing very fast. I know that many people start, but the thing is, I know some people they have like you can so 1 million members. I know one of the persons he has that 1 million groups member, but literally I asked like what is the revenue you are generating per month? He said, Not yet. You can say it is zero." But I have guys 1 year. It took time. I know it took time 1 year, but I have only 1,000 members. But that contribute my biggest part of the Facebook organic marketing, which is actually generating me more than $1,000. So this is how I do it. Now I will share you what is the best step to build the Facebook group with step-by-step method. So let's jump into my screen. I was just planning to create one of a Facebook group for my coaching, so that I thought let's share with uh, everybody. Okay, so here is the option. Once you go home tab, just create group, right? So here you can put your group name. So my group name is something I'm planning for. Group cash flow mastery. So this is basically my coaching group. And if you are building private only paid members, you can write like this members only. Or if you're just building a free group, that is something that is you can also write like other like just anything related to your goal or anything related to the topic. Let's suppose organic marketing community, or you can say community for affiliate marketers, or any for community for anything which basically defines your target audience and what is there exactly they're looking for. My free community name is something like this. My group, this is my one of learn sales funnel, start and grow your business online. One is 21-day Facebook live challenge. One is 5-day group cash flow challenge. There's so many groups which I have. And privacy, you should uh, choose private. Once you make private, you cannot make it public, but once you make public, you can later convert it to the private. So try to choose private, since it is only the people who really wanted to part of this. Because don't add just random people, because when you add random people, it will be affecting the algorithm again. And once, because if you add random people, they will not engage with your post. The moment they don't engage, Facebook will see, okay, these people are not engaging with this guy's post, so let's don't show to other people. So that is more important. So add only those people who really wanted to learn from you, do the transaction from you. That is something. Yeah, visible you can, because many people also start when you set a visible. So what will happen, like at least people will discover your group. Now I don't want to invite friends, but I'll just hit create. Now your group is created. So it is very simple process. Now what I can do is few things I'll do. I'll not share with you like how to do this stuff, like adding cover photo. You can simply hit upload and you can upload from your desktop. So but I will tell you what exactly basically you can go for. You need to do, okay, few things you need to do is you need to so go for membership questions. So let's suppose you should add 3 questions at least, because here you cannot add more than 3 questions. So 3 questions, if you're part of any trainings, my training, I say that add filtered questions, because these questions will help you to understand your client, your audience better, what exactly they're going through, what the problem they are going through. That is something you need to understand. And second thing, you need to collect email address once, because you don't have to spend on very high-end funnels to capture the leads. Here your Facebook group will act as a capturing leads. So I'll just show you like how you can do it. Let's suppose uh, since it's a private group, but I can say like, okay, what is the biggest problem you are facing now? So you can put checkbox, or you can simply share right answer. This is one questions. I can create up to 3 questions. Share your email ID. No, I will share free trainings. Please share your email ID, something like this. Also, you can put your answers. What will happen, like whenever somebody will come, they will see these questions. Once you understand your client problem, also you can add like one question for what is your current business, so that you will understand what exactly they are doing right now. So you like get the basic details from. Now what you'll do is, once they answer, try to copy paste into a sheet. But what I do is I use a tool called Group Convert. You can find the links in the description where you can go. This is my affiliate link. If you really wanted to invest on this tool, this is a $10 per month tool. It is really good tool to help to capture all the leads and put into a sheet. Let's say if you want to see how this data look like. Let's suppose, see, this type of data you can easily, and when I open the Google Sheet, all the data is captured, what are the questions I've asked, what are the answer they've given, everything is on my sheet. So this is a very good tool and to capture the leads, because once you capture the leads, you don't you can simply connect with that sheet with autoresponder, with any Jap tool. That is something with Zapier also you can do. That is something very easy to do it. Now this, once you done it, now few other things you need to do. go to the settings. Now here exactly what you need to work on. This is all done. Also, you can add descriptions, because once you put something description, it is also help Facebook to recommend, because this is part of SEO of this group. You can put any keyword what people search for in search bar, so that what will happen if some people search, your group will pop up, right? So let's suppose you are helping people to lead generations. Let's suppose they search something on lead generations. If you are helping on like coaches, if you write these things, the chances is very high, right? So you can write the descriptions. That is very, very much important. And also, somebody is visiting your group, they should know where basically they are going for. And this is something you can customize. Yes. And I'll not ask you, can customize. This group is like showing like this. You can customize with the right name. Brand color, let's suppose I wanted to put as a blue, which is my favorite color. Okay. Group affiliations, yeah. So this is about like you can add a group affiliation to show a specific person or organization to admin of the group. Then yeah, cover photo, basically it's like group by Sagar Sangam Sao. So similarly, when you create, your name will appear. Okay, this is group managed by this person's. So what will happen, like when somebody come to join my group, they know that who is the right person, who is the admin of this person. Group type, here basically you need to change the settings of social learning, because we'll be working on like guides. The guides tab is created from here itself. There is the other part, even if you have general group, you can add later in other section of thing, but it is recommended that you should convert your group from general to social learning, because when you create it is general, like everybody can think, but you should put, because you are educating somebody. Let's suppose, because the value means, let's suppose I told you like create something, the value purpose. So educating first, then try to sell, that is good. So try to create a social learning group. Okay. Jobs and animal posting guides. Now guides got added, right? If you wanted to add mentorship, you can also add. So this, like you can see, like you don't have to like create all the core structure for very beginning. You can simply create a group organized, a very Facebook organized group, that is can be very good for starting off. Who can join groups? Don't use profile pages, otherwise people having Facebook pages will join. Just keep it only profile. Who can approve member request? Anyone in the group? No, just change it to admin and moderators. So so basically what I also do inside my group, when I run some challenges, I know that those people have registered for it, so I keep open for all. So I open for anyone in the group. But since you are going to create your own group, which you need to give some restriction, otherwise everybody will start spamming. You don't know how they are, like who they are. That is something you need to work on. And who is pre-approved to join? Nobody. Just don't pre-approve anybody. Who can post? Sorry, this is like who can approve your member request, means like only admin, like you have the only authority, that is you can do. I was talking about the post. Who can post? That is you can do once you create uh, while you are creating the private groups, just do admin only, and not anyone in the group, otherwise you will be seeing lots of spammer are there. Short comment, just leave it as it is. Approve edits. So whenever, let's suppose somebody try to, after approval from your group, they wanted to edit their post, there only you will get edit notification that somebody has requested for approval. So in that point of time, you can switch it on, like edited portion must be approved by admin and moderator, not just directly give them. So this is also, you can save it. Linked pages, this is something you can link any of your pages if you wanted to. Like, let's suppose you wanted to link your personal branded pages, that is also you can do it. Recommended groups. So what I do is, let's suppose I have so many groups. I want all the members, they should join my other groups also. So simply let's suppose, no, the internet is not working. Okay, so apps is something, let's suppose, what apps is the application of app. Application app apps is, let's suppose I wanted to use some external apps for going live inside Facebook group. So normally I use StreamYard. So simply I just search StreamYard. StreamYard. So some people also do Zoom also. So they can add like this. Once they add, what will happen? It will add inside the groups, and just go to the group, sorry, StreamYard. uh, you can just simply add like this. StreamYard is very good while going live and doing some trainings, engaging with your audience. That is very powerful. Recommended groups, I was saying, let's see whether it is opening or not. Yeah, it is now open. I can recommend to my other groups. This is also, I can recommend. So I can add as many as groups I wanted to recommend, because this is owned by me. That is something I can do. Okay, so that's it from the group rules. So sorry. Also, you need to set the rules, because many people start spamming. So try to create some rules. So if you don't have any rules, Facebook has already created 4 rules for you. Just click here, create. Then again, create, just second. It is very just, sorry, it created 2 times, delete rules. Then go for third, no spam and no promotion spam. So whenever somebody will join your group, they will be asked, okay, they should follow these rules. Okay. I believe we have completed everything. Membership. When somebody, once you create a group, in membership section, you will see like who is that person is contributing more, commenting, posting, asking questions. You will see the top contribution. Admin moderators, engagement. This is not needed, but the basic settings I have covered. I think this is all things what you need to work on. Yeah, guys, that's it from just that is from my side. And most, but now that see this guides has created, you can start guide. Okay, introduction. Introductions, right? This is how you create guides. You can explain what is this guide all about, right? You can edit or delete any point of time. Once you can start creating post from here, but I suggest like just go discussion and create like basic post. Hi, my name is. So I will request you to like put your welcome video if possible. That hey, welcome to my group, and this community is not any other group. It is a very spam-free group where basically I will teach you about like marketing, ads, whatever you are specific topic you want to do. teach. So this is something, let's suppose I post something on my in the feed. I simply what will do is I'll just click here and I will add it to the guides. So what will happen? If when somebody come, they can just go to, you can just simply say that go to the guides to refer all the free trainings. And whenever you are putting some intro things, you just make it announcement. So this is introduction, sorry. Let's suppose I was posting here this thing. I was just random posting. So what I can do is simply go here. Oh my gosh, announcement, why announcement is not coming? So you will see the announcement section will be here like this only. So you can make announcement once you start building your group, right? Maybe some reason it is not showing, but this should be like here only. Make it announcement so that when somebody will enter to your group, it will showcase them first. Okay, so that's it from my side. And yeah, I hope you like it. Please subscribe to my channel if you found value, and hit like button so that many other people can see it and build the right audience, not just spamming audience. Thank you so much for watching me. Have a great day ahead. Bye-bye.